Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really great. So today's video is about my haul. It's not a huge haul that I did last time. It's a small little haul from here and there everywhere. So yeah, let's get started with today's haul. So the first thing that I bought are these two nail polishes from Avon. I really like the color of these nail polishes. I was wearing it in my last video on hair oiling. If you want, if you guys are looking for some hair oiling tips, then just click on this link right up here and you can watch that video. So yeah, talking about these nail polishes, I really love the color. This one especially, it's such a nice warm color. I love it. This is in the shade what is the shade? Oh, it's a cool coral color, and this is in the shade frosty blue, and look how gorgeous these are. So yeah, these two nail polishes. The next thing that I bought from Avon was this strawberry lip balm, and trust me guys, if you have access to Avon, then you must try this. This is by far the best lip balm I've ever tried. It has that really beautiful strawberry fragrance, and it has that strawberry flavor as well, and in addition to that, it really works well on your lips. Like, lips were not doing really great, so I applied this one night and the next morning they were all so beautiful. It is so freaking good. Like, I have been using it and I have finished quite a bit of it. Look at that, I finished quite a bit of that. It's just because it's so amazing. I mean, all the Maybelline lip balms, all the Nivea lip balms, they're all aside, this is by far the best lip balm I've ever used. The fragrance, the taste, everything is just so amazing, and it has sunscreen as well. And like, this retails, I got this for 99 rupees because like Avon has schemes every month, so I got this one for 99 rupees. It has another flavor in cherry. If you like cherry if you like cherry, then you can go for that. I like strawberry, so I got this one. Next I got from Avon is this foot exfoliator. I had been using Oriflame one, but I misplaced it, so I wanted I needed this one because it's really important for winters. So I got this, and this does the job pretty well. So yeah, there are the next two things are from Blue Heaven. It was like a combo. It is a blush and a face glow. I don't know how this works, and seriously, I tried it out. The packaging is really amazing. Just look at that. I think it's kind of a foundation that you can wear underneath, and it will give a glow kind of a thing to your face, and it smells, I don't know, mannish. Like, it's not a female fragrance at all. This is how it looks from inside, and like, I actually just tested it on my face, and I actually did not like it. So I don't know how this will work. Yeah, see, it doesn't give any coverage at all, but I don't know if it is giving shine at all or not. A bit of shine, yes, but I don't know how to use it. I'll probably try it out in some ways or the other. And if you guys want a review on this, do let me know by commenting in the comment section below. I'll try to review this for you guys. So yeah, that was the face glow. And the next is this blush. Actually, it was a combo, so I was expecting a blush to be pink or peachish, but it turned out to be a kind of a bronzer kind of a color. So this is how the blush looks like. Yeah, that's the color. I don't know, it doesn't look like a blush, I mean, for my skin tone, but yeah, it's kind of a bronzer kind of a color. I don't know if the camera is picking up it or not. Yeah, so the smell is annoying. I don't like smells in my cosmetics. So yeah, this is the blush. Not too happy with both the Blue Heaven products, but still, if you guys want to see a review on this face glow, then do let me know. It says it's a glittering liquid makeup, so do let me know. I'll try to review this for you guys, but the first impression was really not good for this one. Okay, so the next thing that I got are two highlighters. Yes, and I am so in love with these two guys. Like, look at them. They are really so pretty. One is from Makeup Revolution. It's a vivid baked highlighter, and this is how it looks. Just look at that, how gorgeous it is. Like, I just fell in love with this, and it has that beautiful golden shine to it. I, I don't know, the camera is not able to pick, but I can see it has like this beautiful, yeah, there it goes. It has this beautiful golden shine to it. I just love that. And the other one is from Savannah Colors. It's also a baked highlighter, and this is more of a pearl shade, and this is in the shade, this is in the shade Golden Lights, the Makeup Revolution one, and the Savannah Colors is in the shade, I don't know what the shade is, it's not mentioned. It's I think 03 is the shade, probably, yeah, 03, probably that's the shade name. Look at the packaging first, it's so pretty. Like, I fell in love with both these bronzers the moment I saw these, and this has more of a pearl finish to it. Just look at that. So yeah, these two highlighters. Next that I got from is this Makeup Academy MUA Winter Frost eyeshadow palette. I have been buying a lot of makeup nowadays. I know, like, seriously, this is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. It has so many cool tone colors to it. Like, look at these. This is so amazing. I love this palette a lot. If you guys want to see swatches and a review for this palette, do let me know. I will love to do that, because I love doing eyeshadow palette reviews, and I love buying eyeshadows as well. So the last two things that are left, like, I'm the most excited about, are these Real Techniques brushes that I bought. Look at this. It is so damn good. Look at the brushes, they look so pretty. This is an angled brush, and then these fluffy brushes, and it comes in a packaging of this sort, like you can carry these probably. And this is one set, and I got another which is a limited edition set. It's from a YouTuber, Samantha Chapman. It's a limited edition. This is like handpicked by her probably. So it has like a multitask brush, then a buffing brush, then a crease brush, a setting brush, a pointed foundation brush, and a fine liner brush. So this is all the brushes that this particular set has. I am so in love with this brush set. Like, first, this is limited edition, and second, it has like all the brushes that you need, and it costed me like, I think it costed me 1400 rupees, this and this one for 1000 rupees. So really excited for the brushes and for the highlighters. I love those highlighters. So that was it. It was not a really huge haul, but yeah, that was it that I bought, and hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you want a review on any of these products, do let me know by commenting down below in the comment section. I will love to do do a review on those products. And do let me know in the comment section again that the products that you bought probably this month or in the end of December last month. Do let me know by commenting down below. You can also follow me on all my social medias. They will be linked down below. Do not forget to subscribe me. Just click this button right up here, this bubble right up here, and you will be subscribed. Nothing more to do. Please hit thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.